Hello mindful foodies, Inga from Health Origins here. So today an episode from Lithuania. I'm visiting Lithuania and I'm going to teach you how to make beetroots to jar it for winter or for later. So this is boiled beetroot made with apple juice and a bit of spices. So let's begin.
So the first step in the process is to boil, first clean obviously, and then boil your beetroots. So we took about 17 large beetroots, boiled them until they are soft, let them cool down, and here you see my grandmother peeling them, getting ready to grate.
So this is the second part of the process. My lovely mum was grating these beetroots. So here, my grandma added 3 laurel leaves, and the way to measure the apple juice is until it kind of basically covers the beetroot. So for this amount, we needed 3 liters of apple juice. But if yours is different amount, then obviously just make sure it just about covers the beetroot amount. And here we are washing and we're going to disinfect a few jars. So all you need to do is wash it with warm water first, and then we put a little bit of bicarb soda and wash it with that. And after this we're going to just pour some boiling water over it, and that will be those disinfected. So now my grandma is pouring some boiling water on these jars, and that will disinfect them. And also we did it on these lids as well. So I've added 2 little onions sliced in half, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 skin of lemon. And then I've got 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is to your taste, so for this amount we'll need at least 1 tablespoon here, but we might need a bit more. We'll have to test it. My grandma says we need a bigger spoon for this. Yeah, so just mix that in. And for this amount, a small teaspoon of black pepper that I've ground, but obviously depends on how much you want. If it's less, because this is like massive pot, look at this. So yeah, just you might want to put a little bit less, just for a little pinch. So we need to mix this, get it to boiling point, and boil it for maybe 2-3 minutes. And my grandma puts another teaspoon of basil, so dried basil. I'll put all the ingredients and quantities down below for you. My grandma is saying because the apple juice was quite sweet, this one, she's gonna add a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So then you just pour that in. I don't know how my mum is holding it because it's really hot. So then you make sure the sides are clean, and then we put a disinfected disinfected jar on. The top on, and then making sure it's tight, and then put it upside down on the lid like that, so it disinfects the top of it. I get to put one in as well. So that's the last jar. Just perfect. So now to the best part. So I've got my beetroots ready. They've cooled down a little bit, so let me give this a taste test. This is really good. It's got a bit of acidity from the apple juice and from a little bit of apple cider vinegar, but also it's a little bit spicy because both me and my grandma and my mum have put peppers. So it's probably like about 2 teaspoons of peppers in here, but normally you just need 1. So it is a little bit spicier than normal, but it really tastes so good. And we made so many jars. So this is just the one that we just kept to eat, just to have in the fridge, but others will keep through the winter. So yeah, so this is the recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more videos like this on Wednesdays and Sundays. And as always, remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.